Today's story comes from Singapore and it has surprised many people across the Indian community. A 71-year-old woman of Indian origin has been fined heavily for something that may sound harmless at first: feeding pigeons. The woman lives in Tao Pia, a residential area in Singapore. Her name is Shamla. According to the authorities, she kept feeding pigeons near her house or for months and even years, even after getting warned. Singapore is very strict about the wildlife laws. Feeding wild animals without permission is illegal. Officials say it creates health risks, dirt, and attract large flocks to disturb the residents. This was not Shamla's first mistake. In May 2025, she was already fined with 1200 Singaporean currency for feeding the birds and for stopping the officials from catching the pigeons. At that time, she promised that she would stop, but she did not. From July 2025 to January 2026, cameras showed her throwing food for pigeons again and again. Almost every time it happened in the evening. Large groups of pigeons would gather near her house block, and soon food was left on the ground uneaten and everything was spoiled. In court, videos were shown clearly, and in that video, it was shown that she was the one behind this flock. Well, the prosecutor said that she showed no respect for the law. He also told the court that Shamla had earlier said that the officials that she would not do this again. But just 3 days later, she caught feeding the pigeons again. The court called her a repeated offender. Shamla spoke for herself in the court. She said she is unemployed and does not have health insurance. She asked the judge to lower the fine and said she was willing to do anything for the community instead, as the community services. Well, the fine was not reduced. It was 3,200 Singapore dollars, which is more than 2 lakh rupees in India. After heading for the orders, she told the court that she would pay the full amount the same day. Under Singapore's Wildlife Act, repeat offenders can be fined up to $10,000 for each charge. And in this case, it shows that how serious Singapore is about all of the rules. And when the act seems small, the law acts. Well, there are some countries that even feeding the birds can land you in the court. Knowing your local laws is necessary, not optional. And if you live abroad, being an Indian, you must follow the laws of that country. What do you have to say about this? Make sure to comment down below.